How's it going, TJ? This is Eric here with Tameron Honda in Hoover. I wanted to thank you so much for your interest in that 2014 Acura RDX. That vehicle is currently going through my reconditioning and detail process. I want it in the best shape it could possibly be in when you come take a step inside the dealership. But give me a call, please. I would love to set some time aside for you to be able to come in, put it on the road with me, make sure you like it so that way we can put it in your driveway. My number is 205-756-1005, or you can reach my email at ejohnson@tameron.com. And TJ, here at Tameron Honda, we do business one way, and that's the right way, and you're going to love the way you're treated.